Let's take a look at different types of light. First of all, light is just that. It's light. I hear people saying things like bad light all the time.
You're a bad light.
But is there really such a thing as bad light? Well, as a general rule, no. You know, light, it can be bad for your vision of your photo. But again, light is just light. In photography, we get light from 3 different places. And then you as the artist or you as the architect of your image, you use these 3 things to shape your vision. Now the 3 places or types of light are natural light, or we call it available light. There's artificial light, or there's a combination of the 2, artificial and available together. So throughout these lessons, we are going to teach you how to use, how to shape, and how to create photos using light to your advantage. One of the other ways that light is referred to as a type is when it's describing its interaction with your subject. So here's what I mean. If your light source is really small, it's going to create a very hard light, and it's going to have very defined shadows. If our light is large or maybe closer, the same light closer to the subject, which makes it larger relative to the subject, we end up with soft light. Soft light has less defined or blurrier shadows. And then the third type of light, I see a lot of photographers confused between diffused and soft light. You know, soft light, it is due to this large light source. But when we get to diffused light, it comes from light being scattered and coming in from all directions to help evenly light a subject. I probably just told you something that you'll probably say that you already knew, right? Most photographers do. The problem is that most photographers, they don't practice enough to master the use of these 3 types of light, or when to seek it out and when to use one over the other. Throughout these upcoming lessons, we will encourage you to get out and try the things that we're teaching you, that you're learning. Until you get up and you try and you fail and you try again, you will never be where you want to be in your craft.